ClearChain Life Company will increase in value during pre-ICO and ICO stages. Once CCLC hits the open crypto market, the coin's value will follow traditional supply and demand patterns. ClearChain Life Company will generate revenues from the following. Number 1, policy premium paid minus policies paid and overhead. Number 2, death benefit paid will be based on Bitcoin value minus vesting period. ClearChain Life will share profits from the growth of Bitcoin alongside the clients. Number 3, ClearChain Life will hold in reserve Bitcoins purchased in time periods earlier than when the clients are assigned. ClearChain will generate money from the sale of Bitcoin at the current value to its clients minus paid price. The difference will be revenue. And number 4, final expense companies generally invest revenues in the open market or in real estate. ClearChain Life intends to invest company revenues back into the open crypto market. At ClearChain Life, we're extremely excited to bring this new, evolved final expense coverage to market. We know that you'll have plenty of questions and we're looking forward to answer them. Please reach out.